Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tools YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you what is in library browser of MATLAB Simulink. So first we will click on library browser and then we will click on this library icon. Click on it and you can see there are so many different options here. So we will start by the first one, that is commonly used blocks. So in commonly used blocks, there are several kind of blocks. Like first one is bus creator, bus selector, constant, then data type conversion, delay, demask, discrete time integrator, gain, ground, then integrator, logical operator, mask, saturation, scope, subsystem, sum, switch, terminator, voltage, etc. Then in continuous you can see there are derivative, entry, transport delay, descriptor state space, entry transport delay, first order hold, integrator second order limit, integrator limited, PID controller, then PID controller, 2DOF, state space, transfer function, variable transport delay, variable time delay, transport delay, zero pole. Then we have dashboard. In dashboard, there are many blocks like automatic indicator lamps, basic shape icons, customizable box, customizable blocks, wireless icons, callback button, checkbox, combo box, dashboard scope, display, and you can see there are so many other blocks. You can read one by one. Then discontinuities. In discontinuities, there are many blocks like backlash, column when viscous function, dead zone dynamic, heat crossing, PWM, quantizer, rate limiter dynamic, relay saturation, saturation dynamic, variable plus generator, variable pulse generator, rep to zero. Then we have discrete block. In discrete, we have delay, difference, discrete derivative, discrete filter, discrete FIR filter, discrete PID controller TDOF, discrete state space, discrete time integrator, discrete transfer function, discrete zero pole, enable delay, and many more. You can see all the blocks by pausing the video. Then logic and bit operators. Here are many blocks like bit clear, bit set, bit 20, bit 20 is a converter, bitwise operator, combinatorial logic, compared to constraint, compared to constant, compared to zero, detect fall negative, detect fall non positive, detect rise non negative, and many more. You can see one by one by pausing the video. Then lookup table. In lookup table, there is 1D lookup table, 2D lookup table, cosine, direct lookup table, interpolation using pre-lookup, lookup table dynamic, and many more. Lookup table dynamic and the others. Then we have math operations. Here there is ABS, add, algebraic constraint, assignment, bias, complex to magnitude angle, divide, gain, dot product, and you can see the other blocks also. There is math function, min max, polynomials, product of element, then a rounding function, sine, then sum of element, trigonometric function, and the others. Then for metric operation, we have array processing subsystem, then cross product, expand scalar, Hermitian transports, then triangular, matrix multiply, matrix and matrix square, submatrix, transpose, etc. Then we have message and events. In message and events, we have heat crossing probe, then heat scheduler, message merge, receive, send. Then we have model verification. For model verification, here are assertion, check up dynamic cap, check dynamic range, check static cap, check static range, check input resolution, and the other blocks. For modern for model wide utilities, we have block support table, doc block, model info, linearization, time based linearization, trigger based linearization, etc. And for port and subsystems, we have atomic subsystem, enable subsystem. For each subsystem function, you can see it one by one. You can see it one by one and just scrolling down and showing you all the blocks. Signal attributes. Here we can see the data type conversion, data type duplicate, data type propagation, probe, signals specification, rate transition, unit conversion, etc. Then we have signal routing. So in signal routing, here is bus element in, bus element out, bus assignment, bus creator. You can see them all that here is index vector, merge, multiple switch, then again marks, switch, two-way connection. Then we have sinks. Here is display, floating scope, then stop simulation, scope, record, and the others. Then we have sources. Here we have clock, constant, counter limited, ground, ramp, pulse generator, repeating sequence, sine wave, step signal generator, waveform generator, etc. Then we have strings. Here is SI2 string, compose string, scan string, string constant, string concentrate, string compare, and here the other blocks, and here are the other blocks also. Then user defined function. Here we have ccaller, c function, function caller, initialize function, MATLAB system, MATLAB function, and many more. Then we have additional math and discrete. Here we have additional math, increment, and additional discrete. Then we have quick insert. In quick insert, we have discrete, logical and bit operations, lookup tables, math operations, port and subsystems, signal attributes, sources, and user defined functions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's it from my side today. See you in the next video.